So in this video, we'll be demonstrating the assembly of the nylon and carbide brushes onto an 8mm flex shaft. These brushes are mainly purchased by the spray coating companies for the preparation of pipes prior to the spray coating process. However, I've noticed that quite a few sewer cleaning companies are using them to clear debris. The bristles are arranged in such a way that they encourage the debris to move backwards when the shaft spins. The center is made from nylon and has got nylon hex screws, as you can see. But since those hex screws should not be over tightened, we have a brush lock which is made from stainless steel, which clamps onto the flex shaft to prevent the brush from falling into the drain. As you can see here, I have already connected one of my brush locks, and so I put my brush on and a second brush lock like that. Simply tighten the brush like this. Remember not to over tighten it. There you go, using an Allen key. And then tighten my brush holder like that. There you go. Done. One more. Now you can set these up in series of more than one brush, but obviously for demonstration purposes I've only used the one. From there, basically connect your rotator shaft socket to your drill, and there you go. So on our website we have the most popular sizes, but we have a full range of different different nylon brush sizes and bristle thicknesses. So please feel free to get in contact with us anytime should you have anything specific that you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Ciao.